Hey YouTube, it's Alicia from Alicia's Reviews, but it's not. I've got an unboxing for you. BoxyCharm. I have not opened this box yet, so we are going to see what is inside. So, if you order BoxyCharm, every month it comes in a box like this, but it'll be like this. Okay. Girls just want to have sun. Sail in the air and sand in our hair. It's cool. And on the back it tells you everything that's going to be inside. And I'm not going to look at this because I want it to be a surprise. Okay. Ooh. We have this. Pharmacy Hydrating Coconut Gel Mask. Oh, that looks cool. I love BoxyCharm. You get the coolest things. Cougar. What is this? It is a mineral face and body shimmer in Diamond Kiss. Let's see if I can get this open. Sorry, bear with me for a second. Well, there we go. Here's the outside. I have a little trouble with my camera. I don't know why it's doing that. Can y'all see that? Let's do a little swatch. Well, it's padded, so I'm not going to open it yet. That looks cool. Cool. You can always get full-size items, too. What is next? Look, LVX nail lacquer in the color... I don't know. This is it. So I'm trying to open this up so we can actually see if it tells a color. There we go. A color. Oh, that's such a pretty blue. Serene. Is that not pretty? That's pretty. I am tickled. Okay, next. What is this? Girl Attack Beauty Precise Eyeliner. Black. Yes. Cool. You can never get too many eyeliners. And let's get all this. You know, every box has this stuff in it. Sometimes it can get annoying. Our last item is some bubble wrap. Our last item is a Farrah. It is pressed powder. It's oil control. It's pressed. I guess it's an oil control powder. It's white though. See, look at that. It's white. I've never seen a white. I guess it just helps control oil. I'm ready to use this. But anyways, that's our BoxyCharm for this month. It is the June box. If you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm, I think it's like $20 some a month, $21.99 or something like that. Then it's a really good deal considering. Let's see. Let's just look at a price. Let's see. The gel mask 3-pack, and we got a 3-pack is $24. So right there. And then the eyeliner is a full size, $20. Nail lacquer is $18. Oil control pressed powder is $39.95. And the mineral face and body shimmer, the by Cougar Beauty is $16. So awesome, 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 awesome. So if y'all like to subscribe to Beauty Box, BoxyCharm, sorry. I used to subscribe to Beauty Box, but it was just, I got tired of it because it wasn't anything extra interesting. Then I'll put the link down below and you guys can subscribe. Have a good night.